Kenapa susah, kenapa sering sembunyi?
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Farah Asila binti Muhammad Noor. I am from NBT 5A. Straws made of plastic are general, always used once and then disposed. Plastic straws are single-use, lightweight, non-recyclable, and slow degrading substance. As a result, plastic straws have an unequally negative environmental impact in compared to their volume. Because most plastic cannot be organically broken down by bacteria or other living things, it ends up in wildlife habitats, posing a hazard to plants and animals. In the next year, banning plastic straw might become a standard procedure. Plastic straw gradually degrade into microplastics, which are easier to consume, leak poison into water, eventually cover the ocean floor. Plastic straws are really bad for the ocean. It's estimated that we use over 500 million every day in America, and most of those end up in our ocean, polluting the water and killing marine life. Most plastic straws are too lightweight to make it through the mechanical recycling sorter. They drop through sorting screens and mix with other materials, and are too small to separate, contaminating recycling loads or getting disposed as garbage. This is key factor affecting the environmental impact of plastic straw, marine life and our ocean. They do, however, degrade over time, which means plastic straw break down into smaller particles. The resulting particle named microplastic, where it's so small, they are virtually impossible to clean up. A lot of straws are also impacting marine life and other animals. Of course, it's pretty hard for many species of marine life to swallow a straw. It does, however, happen sometimes, especially with the small straws on cardboard drink container. Plastic straws end up in the ocean primarily through human error, often left on beaches, littered or blown out of trash cans or transport boats and vehicles. Remember, all craters and storm drains lead to our ocean. However, the environmental impact of plastic straws when disposed of often simply blow out of bins where it that lead to our ocean. Plus, birds also add to the problem. Digest straws, and when they eat, it can stay in their stomachs until they die. As a result, they often then escape into waterways when birds decompose. This is key factor affecting the environmental impact of plastic straw, marine life and our ocean. They do, however, degrade over time, which means plastic straw break down into smaller particles. The resulting particle named microplastic, where it's so small, they are virtually impossible to clean up. A lot of straws are also impacting marine life and other animals. Of course, it's pretty hard for many species of marine life to swallow a straw. It does, however, happen sometimes, especially with the small straws on cardboard drink container. Because these animals do in fact mistake this item for food, ingested plastic can stay in the gut of the fish or animal that has swallowed them until past at death. Marine animals with plastic in their guts also can be eaten by other creatures on the food chain, passing the problem from one animal to another. Turtle, seabirds, and fish who have consumed plastic can die of starvation, and by this underserving creatures think that their stomachs are full and fail through no fault of their own to eat the food they need. In conclusion, Most plastic straws simply break into ever smaller particles, releasing a chemical into the soil, air, water that are harmful to animals, plants, people, and then the environment. If you just prefer to consume your beverage with straw, there are many non-plastic straws options available. Simply replacing cheap and disposable plastic straws with reusable stainless steel, glass, paper alternative is an easy way to cut down on plastic pollution. Let's encourage other people to stop using straws for good. And if not, by the year 2050, there will be more plastic straws in the ocean than fish.